Hey everybody, welcome to T-Roy Cooks. I appreciate you joining. Today I got a new product I'm going to show you. It's going to help you make lighting your charcoal very easy. Stay tuned.
T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, cooking up some barbecue for you. T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, showing you that you can cook it too. Always with a beer or whiskey, but he cooks responsibly.
Alright guys, introducing the brand new patent pending charcoal bullseye. This is it right here, see? It's got your grill grate, for your charcoal grate down here, you know? And it's got this, like you would on your charcoal chimney, got that little cone shape right there. They call it a bullseye, you see. So what you do, you put this in the bottom of your 14-inch Weber Smoky Mountain or your 14-inch little small Weber grill. Put this on there, put your charcoal in there. When charcoal's ready to go, lift this off, and you got your bunch of lit charcoal, folks. Real simple. Let me show you how it works. Now to help demonstrate how this charcoal bullseye works, I went out and bought me a brand new Weber Smoky Mountain. Yeah, the 14-inch one. Ha! I've been wanting one for a while. Finally got me one. Anyway, y'all check out how little this thing is, man. Look, it's a little bitty baby. Ain't that cool? I can zoom in there for you. Check that out. I even got me one of them dials like I have on my big smoker. This is a River Country. I did have to drill out the hole in here just a little bit with a unibit. So I drilled it out to a 1/2 inch, which is the size. When you order a thermometer like this, folks, it'll actually tell you on the box that you get it in, or the paperwork that comes with the thermometer. It'll tell you what the hole diameter is. So that's what you need to drill it out as. And this one is adjustable, so I can eventually adjust it so it's reading the temp at the grill grate where the meat is down here. So anyway, let's get this baby fired up with that charcoal bullseye. What do you say? All right, let's put that charcoal bullseye in my new Weber Smoky Mountain. I bet this thing's gonna be fun to cook on. All right, so you got your original charcoal grate. Take this out. Get your nice tumbleweed or some kind of a starter. Put down there. And I got a little bit of the charcoal bag. That's the little thing you rip to open it. Get your charcoal bullseye. Put it right down there where the grill grate was. Put your ring on there. Put your charcoal ring on there that came with the Weber Smoky Mountain. Get you a little bit of charcoal. It don't take much, man. It don't take much. Well, you know what? You gotta light this thing first. Let's light this baby. Hang on, I'm sorry. I forget what I'm doing there, T-Roy. Gotta light that baby up. And I need a new lighter. There we go. Now we're talking. There you go. Put your charcoal in there. She's going strong already, guys. Yeah, and I could dump it. You know, it'll be all right. I'm thinking, you know, for this little bitty small cooker, we don't need a whole lot. So I'm gonna put some around the edge here, because we're gonna do the minion method. I'm actually gonna cook a pork butt on here today. My first cook. Maybe I'll show you some of that. We'll see. All right, so let me finish putting charcoal around here and get these babies lit up, and we'll bring y'all right back. All right, I forgot to mention, this charcoal's about ready. When I was showing you at the beginning, I forgot to show you, it comes with this little gadget right here, this little handle grabber thing, so that you could do this. And there we go. Now we've got our minion method going. How about that, folks? All right, so I'm gonna put some wood in here. All my vents are wide open right now. There we go. Don't need a whole lot of wood, I don't think. Now, put this baby back together. See if we can get her fired up. Just like that. And again, this is my first cook on this baby. So I need to oil up my grates. And I'm going to put a little bit of water in my water pan down here as well. If I can get it going here. Let's see. There we go. Hopefully y'all can see what I'm doing here. Something like that. I'm not gonna need this grate today, the middle one, so I don't have to use it, but I am gonna use it just so I can season it. There we go. Spray with a little non-stick spray. Do the same with the main top grate. Like that. Alright. And that's the only thing I'm spraying is the grill grates. I'm not spraying anything else on the Weber Smoky Mountain. Now, top vent is open. So all my vents are wide open. I'm just going to let this baby get up to about 250 and then we'll throw some meat on there. Alright, just catch y'all up. It's only been like maybe 10 minutes, if that. But I came outside and this thing was already at 250. So I closed the 3 bottom vents down to like a third of the way open. Hopefully that'll kind of kill the heat a little bit and bring it back down. Because it's sitting about 300 right now. Alright, and again, this is probably going to read hotter because I don't have it adjusted yet. It's got a dial on the back. I can adjust it with a screwdriver. But let's go ahead and throw some meat on there. I know that'll bring it down because my meat's cold. Hopefully this thing will fit on there. There we go. Alright. Nice bone in, 8.5 pound pork butt, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Now, let me show you what I put on there for you. My buddy Bill over at Fried BBQ, he sent me, or actually gave me this. I met him. Great to meet you, Bill. But Fried BBQ, y'all check it out. There's his logo right there. This is his Texas rib grind. So I thought I would try that on my pork butt. He says this is excellent on ribs. But I'll put the link for him down below in the description box. So y'all can go check him out and subscribe to him too. Y'all help the guy out. He's a competition cook, man. But let me get this baby closed up. See if we can get this thing cooking. And we'll bring y'all back here in a little bit. We'll check on it. And we'll see y'all shortly. It's been 2.5 hours. It sure is weird cooking on this little bitty Weber Smoky Mountain. I'm showing 250. It's showing 250 right there. Alright. So that's what the dial's reading. But again, it's going to read hotter because it's up. My actual ThermalWorks smoke is reading 240. And the internal meat after 2.5 hours, it's up to 126 Fahrenheit. I think what I'm going to do is just add some charcoal. Let me check and see how the charcoal is looking right here. That's a little bitty door. Yeah, we're going to add some charcoal, folks. Let's go ahead and do that. While I'm here, and while I got the camera going, I'm just going to reach in here. You know, just grab a handful of charcoal, throw it in there. Just like that. 2 handfuls. 3 handfuls. I'm gonna go with 4 handfuls. Let's see how that works. See how long that'll get us going. If I can get this door back on. Come on. Baby hot. There we go. Alright, so we're gonna keep on cooking and we'll just keep maintaining, man. I mean, oh, y'all wanna see the pork butt? That's how she's looking right now. She's looking pretty doggone good. Yeah. Looking real nice. And I found that there ain't a whole lot of room to clip this ThermalWorks smoke meat. Sorry, this is the meat probe here. The temp probe for the cooker. So I just kind of laid it down. That'll work for right now. So we'll check on it again here in a little bit. Let you know how it's doing. All right, guys, we're sitting about 255 here, right there. And let's see what the ThermalWorks smoke's reading. ThermalWorks smoke's reading 263, so it's not that far off. Internal temp, we're about 6 hours in right now. 170 internal right there, so it's probably in the stall or just getting out of it. Let's check on it, see what she looks like. Ooh, bark's looking pretty doggone good. I'm gonna have to start spritzing it fairly soon. I'm just gonna use water for a spritz, but I am hearing some sizzling down there, and it looks like I'm almost out of water. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of water. Put a little bit more water in my pan down there. Oh yeah, she was out. So that water pan lasts about 6 hours, cooking about 250. How about that? I've only thrown the charcoal that y'all saw me throw in, what, like 4 handfuls, I think it was. So maybe another 20 charcoal briquettes. Anyway, she's looking good, man. So we'll bring y'all back here and check on it again here in a little bit. All right, guys, I've been cooking about 12 hours now. She's holding about 250 on the thermometer there. On here, it's about 260 or so. And the internal temp's 182 and a half, so we're approaching 183 internal. So it's definitely through the stall. I'm going to go ahead and spritz it. And I got a mixture of water and apple cider vinegar. Just going to hit it real quick here. It's actually looking really, really nice. I'm loving the way it's looking. But we're going to go ahead and cover this baby back up. And I'm going to let it keep on cooking. I'm not sure how long it's 8.5 pounds. So, you know, 2 hours per pound. It may be a 16-hour cook. I don't know. First time cooking on this little 14-inch Weber Smoky Mountain. We're going to let it keep on going. I did add some more wood chips to kind of get some more smoke to kind of build that bark up, because I like my dark bark, you know. So we're going to let it keep on going. And folks, I may just let this thing go and wrap it, and I'll see you all in the morning whenever I'm pulling it apart. We'll check it then, okay? All right, guys. Sorry I couldn't show you the finished product on the Weber Smoky Mountain last night, but it just got dark on me, okay? I didn't feel like dragging my lights out. So what I did, vented it for about 15-20 minutes, and then covered it with foil, let it rest for about an hour, and by then it was probably 11 o'clock or so. So I just put it in the fridge overnight. Fixing to unwrap it, show you what it looks like, see if I can maybe grab a little smidgen off of it, because I'm going to take this pork butt over to 4th of July party, Independence Day party this weekend. So let's see what it looking like. I thought it looked pretty good last night, but let's see what you think about it. All right, like I said, I just wrapped it in foil overnight in the fridge. Let's take a look at it. Check that out, folks. Ain't that a sight of beauty? Woo, doggy. And that bone was just almost falling out last night, man. So I know it's good. And of course, you know, when you put it in the fridge, you get some of this pork fat just solidifies down here. That bark looks great, man. Really, really good looking. See if I can get me a little bite off here. There you go. Get you a little smidgen like that, man. Bark, like the bark. Let's give it a shot. Curious to see how this bark tastes with that rub on it, man. Man, even cold, that's good. Real good. Chicken fried barbecue, my buddy Bill. Again, his link will be down below. Let me swallow this, hang on. That's really good, y'all. Weber Smoky Mountain, I'll tell you what, man. The little baby 14-inch. It held temps just like the larger one does. Now, it's got a small charcoal basket, so I did have to add charcoal about every 3.5 hours. Just like put, I don't know, 10 charcoal briquettes in there to restoke it for another few hours. But, man, flawlessly. Worked great. I love it. Can't wait to cook on some more for you guys. And also, the charcoal bullseye, I think it's called. Barbecue bullseye. Anyway, that device I showed you at the very beginning that helps you light your charcoal. Y'all check the links out down below in the description box. It's a Kickstarter program. He's trying to raise money. I think the Kickstarter only has until like the 7th of July or something. So another week, basically, to get in there and help sponsor him if you want to. And man, I hope y'all do. Really cool product. I enjoyed using it. Thanks, Bruce, for letting me bring that over here and let me have that to play with. I appreciate it. So, folks, y'all go check him out. If you're not subbed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. I hope you share the video. And when you do, please tell all your friends. That T-Roy cooks responsibly. We'll see y'all next time, everybody. Cheers.